Ito yung CO2 tank. Kaya siya may ganito kasi ito yung regulator. Dito mo makikita kung gaano kalakas yung pressure na binubuga niya. Again, I'm not an expert. This is just my understanding so far. So, please, if balak niyong mag-euthanize in this way or the other way, which is in cervical dislocation, please be sure na you do your extensive research first. Ideally, ang recommended is to practice under the supervision of a professional or an expert. But we all know na hindi naman yun realistic, diba? It's not realistic to expect na there would be someone to teach you hands-on since onti lang naman tayong reptile keepers, much less the ones who want to do this way. So, alam mo yun, the best advice I can give you is mag-research talaga. Alam mo yun, journals, basa ka, or if you prefer videos, may mga video kang makikita online aside from this one. And then, pagka talagang confident ka na, try to put it into practice. Diba? As long as you have sufficient or enough knowledge in there. So, yun lang.